You know what? I don't give these pants enough credit, do I? These are as identical to my cupcake pants. And I really never introduced y'all to these. I probably worn them a bunch. These are my strawberry ones. And I guess that's lemons. I don't know what it... No, it's yellow strawberries. Pink strawberries? Red? I don't know. Weird. Anyway, I'm going to give some props to those. Oh, by the way, I'm cutting my hair again. Dang it. This is why I should not be cutting my own hair. And I should go to a professional. It doesn't look that bad. Could have been worse. Look, I got all this like trimmed up around my face. And, I don't know if you can see it. I did a lot of the back because it was real frizzy. I can't really get to it, so I don't think it looks bad. I don't know. It's good enough. I don't care. At least I'm not scalped like I would be if I went to a beautician. I hope he's still there. Oh, he's not. You see that little plant thing there? Little squirrel was on it, cleaning himself. Dang it. Oh, there he is. He's on the post now. Oh, he saw me. Yeah. Look, he's on one leg. Or he's got one leg up. Isn't that adorable? Hey, guy. He's like, oh, crap. I got busted. Okay, he's not paying attention to me. Cool. Isn't he adorable? Okay, you guys. If you ever can find these Tasty Choice shrimp. I get them at the dollar store. I don't know how much they are. $5, something like that, but they're like 3 meals in one. I take a little bit out, put them in here, and defrost them a little bit. It only takes a little bit. And then melted butter or cocktail sauce, whatever you prefer. Oh my gosh, they are so good. It is 8:44 in the morning. On the Sabbath, today's Saturday, eating shrimp for breakfast. Shrimp and butter. Ha! Y'all gotta do that. I started to say, don't look at me, I just got up. Don't look at me. I don't care. We're going to go outside today, but you know what? It was a 0% chance of rain today. And I went and got gas about 2 days ago, and it's been beautiful, and now it's cloudy as heck, and earlier it was raining. And there was a 0% chance. There was like a 13% chance yesterday, and it didn't do a thing, so. Okay, we're fixing to go outside. Man, y'all look at the sky. Do y'all see this? Of course, the one day I decide I want to come outside and not hibernate in the house, it's going to rain. It wasn't even supposed to rain today. It's all cloudy and gray. Anyway, I got to plant these. Look at them. They are starving. Their root system needs to expand. I don't know. Anyway, I can't believe it's fixing to rain. This really is upsetting. Oh, let me tell you, speaking of gas a while ago, I went and got gas. It has to be 100% gas in his lawnmower. And the gas station up here they got new pumps and they stopped selling it. I guess they weren't making enough money, so I went down the road to another store. I told the lady, I said, are your pumps working? Because it looked old. You know, I was like, I couldn't even tell if they were on or not. She goes, yeah. And I said, okay, I'm just going to fill up a $2-gallon can for the lawnmower. She goes, 100%? And I said, yeah. So anyway, I didn't ask how much it was. I usually paid, I think down here it was like 3-something a gallon, or, you know, 3-something, because it's most expensive. And anyway, I went in there, and Shasta was with me. And I had left the windows down for a minute so I could go pay, and I'd never done that before with her. She jumped out, and it was on a busy highway. And anyway, I look over, and she's standing there at the door. And I said, oh my gosh, my dog. So I didn't think about how much the lady charged me. But she comes out and starts patting Shasta and everything. And I said, can I have a receipt? Something told me to get a receipt. And anyway, I grabbed it and walked out. And when I was driving off, I looked down at it and saw it was $22. She charged me $11 a gallon. I didn't go back. I did not go back. I had already left, and I was like, oh my gosh. And I didn't go back. I couldn't believe it. It was my own stupidity. I'm really tired. I don't know what's been wrong with me lately. I've been real tired. I went to the doctor. I got to have blood work done, but she does seem good. They did an EKG on my heart and stuff, because remember I told you, I don't know, I might have told you, I don't know, but I was crying so much, my heart was hurting. Just had a broken heart, that's all I think. Anyway, see, it's starting to sprinkle. I just felt it. Hey you guys, y'all notice anything different over there? I took that old broken post down and put that other one in. I haven't done that. It's not in there right yet. I figured I'd go ahead and record some of it. Sure did. Looks better. I just remembered where my I was trying to say stupid. I don't know why I was going to call it a stupid tripod. See, there's the fence line here, and I'll have to move the boat, and that's the only thing I'll have to move. Put it on the other side of the garage. Okay, I know I had it over here somewhere. I just remembered. Oh, it ain't over here. What? Did I use it? Guys, I have no idea where my wagon is now. Is my wagon? What? I can't remember where it went. What the heck? Alright, let me locate it. Y'all, I'm crazy. It's right there. Cause my tripod's not on here. Oh, there it is. Golly, y'all. I told y'all it's been a long time. Hey, at least I had the common sense to put it in the garage, huh? Okay. My little friend just came back, and I got about 40 feet from him, but I went in and got a kebab. Shasta's favorite. She said she'd share. I'm going to toss it over the fence for him. He took off running. I was saying, buddy, buddy, and he wouldn't turn around. I said, Buster, and he turned around. If that's his name. Oh my gosh. All right, here we go. Oh, God, I can't. There we go. All right, let me toss it over. I don't know what I'm trying to do. There we go. Hey, guys. I wasn't planning on recording. I know I look like crap. I've been so tired, but it's the 3 days straight I rested, and this is the 4th day, and it's about 3 o'clock, and I got outside, and it's warmed up quite a bit, because I'm like a bear. I hibernate in the winter. When it gets cold, if it's under 73, I'm cold. But I think it's about 74 right now, because it's just perfect. But I came out here to take some plants and stuff over to, oh, wait a second. Y'all don't know what I'm talking about, do you? I bought a shed. It's a godsend. I bought a shed. Hold on. And I sold the RV. Hold on. I'll show you. Ta-da! The RV is gone. There's the house. There's where the RV was. I got the septic line there, because I've got to use it on my new place. And then over here, I've still got it sticking out of the trailer there. And I'm going to have a cap put on it, which I know how to do it. I just got to take that skirting off and climb in. It's not like top priority, you know what I mean? Come on. Can you believe this? This guy walks around with a baby in his mouth too. Just like that one. I can't believe it. It's Hebrew. It's definitely Hebrew. So I like the name. It's A-S-H-U-R. I still got to try to find his folks. I ain't getting out today, though. I'm just wore out. 3 days of trying to get this ready. I told my brother the only reason I'm walking is God. I'm telling you that right now. There is no reason for me to be sore. God. That's all I can say about that. Oh, man. Alright, so this is where we're going to... Can y'all believe it? This guy walks around with a baby in his mouth just like her. This guy was meant to be, I'm telling you what. Oh, good night. I'm a good watchdog, though, I'm telling you that. Here's where my house is going to be. I'm going to put the front porch back here, though. It's been my little hideaway. They're not even going to know. They're just going to think it's a shed out here. Here's chicken pen tree. Definitely keeping that, even though I don't like it. But it is private. It gives me more privacy. It's here. Oh my gosh, it's adorable. I didn't think I'd like the brown, but I actually do. I think I'd want to paint it like green trim and leave the brown. Okay, let's shut this off till they start moving it in. Okay, he's hooking the mule up to it. See it back there? He's hooking that up to turn it in. Okay, I'm just going to let it run. Oh boy. I'm excited. Probably won't be able to stand up in the attic. I kept thinking I'll be able to put my jewelry room and sewing room up there. I mean, maybe I'd have to bend over for sure. The thing's 14 wide, and the opening down there on the end is like 16, and the one up here is 15. So, you got 6 inches on both sides on the front. Dang. Oh my gosh, look how high they have lifted that up off the ground. Sorry, I dropped my tripod. I gotta go get these stupid things off the ground. Hold on. Let's see if I can get it. There we go. Let's see. Sideways, but hey, better than nothing. Oh man. Tighten it up here. This ain't gonna stay. Alright, he's fast. I'm gonna leave this right here and I'm gonna go try to get those things up. been easier to go down to the cul-de-sac and do a circle. That's what I told him. But he's a good driver. He got it now. Oh, no. He's got to get back a little bit. That's why I told you, buddy. You got to come in from the other side. I'm gonna stop recording, I think. I don't know. Oh gosh, don't mess up my house, mister. Jeez. Oh gosh, he gets close. I'm cutting this off for a minute. You guys, it took forever. We got it through. That was such a tight squeeze. And where I dug the posts out, the tires went in and bent it that way and hit the fence that I couldn't get out because it's concreted in. Oh my gosh. But he turned it and got it out. He says every time if it hits a hole, the axles will swing, and that's what happened. But we got it through, and I had to tear most of my fence out. So, whew, y'all. That was the best driver I've ever met in my life. He's better than any NASCAR I ever seen. Not that I watch NASCAR, but I've lived in Daytona for years, so I've been to many brickyards. Not by choice. Sorry, NASCAR fans. Oh gosh, please don't hit any trees. I tried to trim them so good. I did. Power pole behind you, mister. Power pole. Alright. He's like the best driver I've ever seen. I can't stop saying that enough. I walk over here and get my tripod. Oh my goodness. I don't have good equipment. I use my phone, y'all know that. And this is like a Samsung 9. It is ancient, I guess. Everybody's trying to get me to go 5G. Jeremy got me so scared of 5G, I don't want to even touch it now. What's he doing? We're going that way. Okay, I guess he knows what he's doing. Oh my gosh. I'm like telling him, wait, you're going that way. Oh, tear my roof off. All right, ain't gonna look. Can't look. Cannot look. Okay, let's see what he does now. Oops. Whoa, he's close to that electrical. Best I can do for now. It's just how it's gotta be. It's how it's gotta be. Now get it. I think that's okay. I'm gonna get my drink. yard is an obstacle course for that guy.
Oh, geez.
Doing, mister? Huh? Mister? What are you doing? Oh my gosh, y'all.